If you bought lots of ammo more than a year or so ago, you win. Hey folks, welcome back to Bullets and Brass, and wow, if you have not been looking at the price of ammo, you'll cry. Unless you haven't been looking at the price of ammo because you stocked up 2 years ago and didn't need to. In which case, hopefully you have not shot through all of your ammo because holy shit, prices are high. Okay, so I try to do one of these every month or two, just a general state of the union kind of thing on ammo availability and prices. And the number one thing to understand about this is that it is not an exact science. You're watching this video at some point in the future. I am making generalities, and I am not looking at every vendor. I am not looking at every shop. So if your local shop has a great deal, awesome. If your local shop doesn't have shit and I'm saying it's available, hit the internet. If you're in a state that doesn't allow you to do so, hit up your representatives and bitch at them. Anyway, getting to the point. Ammo. And I gotta say, it's a mixed bag this time. Prices are high. They are, if anything, higher than they have been. I think that as this goes on, we're seeing more and more people go, well, I shot through my stash that I was making fun of people for not having, and now I need ammo. So, more people are entering the buying market as we get further into this who previously were not buyers. They had stocked up enough, they're reloaders, whatever it is. And we'll get into the reloading thing. So I don't think we're seeing a decrease in demand. I think we're seeing, if anything, an increase in demand. And if you're a manufacturer out there or you're connected to one and have some real numbers, let me know. I could be wrong there, but what I'm seeing is that availability is still good. The last one of these I talked about, I said, it seems like there's more on the market. They're doing a better job at keeping up with at least the baseline demand, but it comes and goes quickly. It doesn't stay in stock, and prices, it doesn't stabilize long enough for the price to come down, right? Well, we're seeing that now. There's hunting ammo in stock. There's target ammo in stock. There's some blasting ammo in stock. But prices are high in all of it. Like 9mm blasting ammo, range ammo, 40, 45 cents a round, even if you're buying decent quantities. Holy shit. What happened to 9 cents? What happened to 15 cents? I mean, really? And that wasn't even low. That was just you could buy as much as you wanted at that price, as recently as a couple years ago. So we're not seeing as big a price jump on the premium side. It's all about the lower and mid-price stuff. The higher end stuff, never high demand, never high volume. The price was already high. But you're seeing that the cheaper stuff is catching up, and there isn't enough of it. And this is true of all the calibers. However, certain calibers have been very hard to come by. 380, 357, 32 ACP. It's available. I went to a number of sites. Most of them had it available. Maybe not exactly what you were after, but there was something there. There was something to buy for those calibers. And yeah, it was expensive as hell. 380 was over $1 a round for ball ammo. It is what it is. Now, for reloading, here's where it gets weird, because I'm still not seeing primers stay in stock. I feel bad for that person. It is absolutely like torrential rain, and they're walking across the parking lot. So, like, I get emails for primers, and I'm sitting at the computer when it comes in. I clicked the link. It's sold out. It's gone. And they wanted 2 or 3 times as much as the last time I bought primers. Can't keep it in stock. I don't know if that's an MSRP change or if that is a online retailer change. I have not seen primers anywhere else to get an idea of pricing. I don't know what the manufacturers are charging them. I just know that primers are the huge sticking point. Powder, you can find it. And you can probably find something related to what you're looking for, but you're going to have a hard time on primers. Primers use some interesting chemistry, and not all the things in primers are available domestically. So between that, powder, and to some extent lead, it's an issue. Take care, have fun, stay safe, y'all. And if you bought lots of ammo more than a year or so ago, you win.